no ho-ho-ho. Yeah.
Hello you guys, it's Naturally Cookie here, and today we will be doing a seafood boil. We have some potatoes and sausage and snow crab legs and some shrimp and some claws and corn and eggs and butter, and we also have some onions and bell peppers and seasonings as well. Alright, gonna get right into this video. Okay you guys, so I have my big pot going with hot water boiling. In my pot I have already put my corn, my sausage, and my potatoes. And I'm going to add my seasonings now. In a separate pot I have my eggs boiling. I'm going to add the eggs in last after everything has cooked and I've peeled them. They'll be added in last. Alright, so here I have a bag full of different seasonings that I have put together, and I will list those seasonings down below if you guys are interested in knowing all of my secrets that I have in this bag. Now I'm going to give that a good stir. I'm going to cover this pot and I'll be back in about 15 to 20 minutes. Then I will start adding my seafood. Now please make sure you are cleaning your seafood and soaking your seafood. Did you see all that nasty stuff in that water that came off of those paws? Yes. Please make sure you're washing your seafood. So next you guys, I'm going to work on my butter. I'm going to start by melting a half a stick of butter to saute my onions and bell peppers. I'll be back once my butter has melted. Okay, so my butter has melted. I'm going to go ahead and add my bag of bell peppers and onions that I've already previously chopped and prepped for this video. And now I'm going to saute those and break those down until they start caramelizing. I'll be back once I get those to that level. It's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes to get those nice and caramelized and broken down before you want to add the rest of your butter. So I'll be back. Okay you guys, it's been about 25 minutes and my sausage and corn and potatoes are pretty much done. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my seafood. I'm going to start by adding my claws, and then I'm going to add my legs about 3 minutes after that. I have my seafood here already cleaned off my claws and legs, so I'm going to add the claws first. Okay, I'm dropping the last claw into the water here, and there was a total of 4. And in 3 minutes I'll come back and add my legs, and then after 10 minutes I'll add the shrimp last. Okay you guys, it's been 3 minutes now and I'm going to go ahead and add my legs. I have a few that broke off. I'm going to drop them in there. And alright. Give that a nice stir. Sausage is starting to pop open. I mean, they are good and done. Okay. In about 5 to 6 minutes, I'll be back and add my shrimp. Okay, now my bell peppers and onions is starting to caramelize. I'm going to go ahead and start to add my other 4.5 sticks of butter. I may do more. I want to see how much butter the 4.5 sticks give me first when it melts down. So you guys, so far I have a total of 6.5 sticks of butter in here. I'm going to go ahead and add my seasonings while that is melting down. And my bag of secret seasonings is the same that I added to my boil. Alright, I'm going to give that a good stir, and I'll be back once everything has melted down to show you guys my final results on my butter. Okay, you guys, next I'm going to add my shrimp. I have jumbo shrimp. And I am going to attempt to give that a good stir and mash those down in there. We'll be back. Alright, you guys, my butter is melting down, and I just wanted to show you guys. That looks so good. I'm gonna let it continue to melt down. Okay, you guys, this is my final result on my seafood boil. And this is how my butter is looking. Alright, I'm gonna take some of the butter and place it over. Drizzle it like over the seafood here. Let's see. There you have it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, because we definitely finna enjoy this seafood. Until next time, you guys, everybody stay blessed. Hey. So you made it to the end of my video. Hey, just want to say, what are you waiting on? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I know you like what you heard, so go ahead and hit that thumbs up button too. And while you at it, hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. It's okay. Go ahead and share with your family and friends too. Hey, I appreciate the love. And for making it all the way to the end, I just want to say, I appreciate you. I truly do. I appreciate you. I truly do. Hey. Till next time, stay blessed, y'all.